So this was on my 2018 GMC Canyon. I got 210,000 miles on it. And I started to notice that my antifreeze reservoir, the level would go down a little bit, and every now and then I'd have to add some. And I started looking for a leak, and I found a small leak on a T-fitting that comes off the reservoir here and comes right to here. And then there's a line that goes down, probably to the heater, the back of the engine. I think this one goes to the heater core, but it was leaking right here. And I thought maybe it was just one of the hoses, so I started messing with it and it instantly broke. And this is it here. You know, obviously this is just a straight part, but it's super brittle. Just over time, this plastic has not held up. I suspect that this is going to be a problem for a lot of the vehicles around this year. It's a real easy fitting to change. I actually went to a brass one, so I wouldn't have to worry about it. And I'll put the part number of what I used in the description. And I also used heavy duty hose clamps as well. The existing clamps weren't really a problem, but I prefer these. But yeah, I would take a look at that if you have a vehicle around this vintage Canyon. I suspect that everybody's going to have this issue, that the plastic's getting brittle. But yeah, hopefully that helps somebody. If that breaks, you're kind of stranded on the road unless you have parts. But yeah, all right, thanks for watching.